Alright, what's up YouTube? So today I'm going to show you guys how to fix frayed cords. It can be any kind of cords, outlet cords, or even your electronics. So today I got an iPhone 4S charger, and you see back here, the cord's all frayed. And you know how when this happens, you can't really use it for that much longer. So today I'm going to show you guys a quick, easy way to fix this. So all you need today is a hot glue gun, and that'll be it. So make sure when you're doing this not to get the glue everywhere. Just try to cover up the part that's frayed. Make sure you cover it around the whole entire thing. Try to make it as smooth as possible so when it dries it looks somewhat decent and nice looking. Make sure not to touch the hot glue because it's really hot. And there you go guys, just let this dry. Let this dry, and by the time it dries, it should be better than how it was before. Some tips on how to make this smooth is, once it dries a little bit, you take the side of the hot glue gun and you smooth it out. If you need to, you can take your finger, let it dry a little bit, take your finger and try to smooth it out with your fingers. And there you go guys. That's how you fix different cords that are frayed, and you want to preserve them, make them last longer than they would if you just left them. So, alright, so subscribe for more tips and tricks, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.